Okay, on 2-6, 1 through 6, you need to know, and really 1 through 9, you need to know the fact that vertical angles have the same measurement. You need to be able to identify vertical angles. So remember, I talked about vertical angles being like you have an X and their opposite sides. So these are vertical, so these are equal. These are vertical, so these are equal. Okay, so if two things are equal, we set them equal to each other when we solve. This side is equal to this side, so we're going to set 5x equal to 150, and we're going to solve that. So to solve it, you would divide by 5, and x is 30. Same thing on this one. This angle is equal to this one. So if two things are equal, when we want to solve it, we simply set them equal to each other. So I would need to subtract 2x, and that's going to give me 1x minus 40 equals negative 10. Add 40, and x is going to be 30 again. Okay, you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to set those equal to each other and solve. So you have 3x plus 6 equals 90. Need to solve for x. You're going to set these equal to each other and solve. Number 5, you're going to set this equal to this and solve. And number 6, you're going to set this equal to this and solve. Make sure you check your answers on the page where I post all the answers. Okay, number 7, it says the measure of angle 1 is 5x. So here's angle 1. And the measure of angle 4 is 2x plus 90. So 1 and 4 are vertical. So we're going to set them equal to each other and solve. So 5x equals 2x plus 90. And you're going to solve that. Same thing on number 8. Angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical. So you're going to set them equal to each other when you solve. Now number 9. This is talking about angle 2 and angle 3, but in our instructions, we've got to find the measure of angle 1. But we know angle 2 and angle 3 are vertical. So we can set them equal to each other and we can solve that. So I'm going to go over here and work out number 9. Okay, it says angle 2 is 180 minus 3x, and angle 3 is 2x. Okay, so I'm going to add 3x. And now I get 180 equals 5x. Divide by 5. So 5 and 118 3 times, that's 15, that's 30, that's 36. So x is 36. Okay, so now I need to figure out what the measure of angle 1 is. So I need to figure out what the measure of angle 3 is, because these two form a straight line. So remember, after you solve this, you have to go back and substitute in so you can find the measure of angle 1. So you have to substitute in whatever value you got for x. This time I'm going to have to substitute in here. So it said the measure of angle 3 was 2x. So 2 times 36, and that's 72. Well, here's my straight line that's formed. So this is a linear pair. They form a straight line. So a linear pair is 180 degrees. So to find angle 1, I need to take 180 and subtract what I found for angle 3. And 180 minus 72 is 108. So the measure of angle 1 on number 9 is 108.